Intro. Welcome to Connect to World, where we explore the meaning and usage of interesting words. Today, we're going to delve into the word harassment. It's a term that describes a persistent, unwanted, and often harmful behavior. Let's get started. Meaning. Harassment is a noun that refers to the act of persistently and aggressively bothering, tormenting, or intimidating someone or something. It involves unwanted and often harmful actions or behavior that cause distress, discomfort, or fear. Harassment can occur in various forms, including verbal, physical, online, or in the workplace. Pronunciation. Pronounce harassment as �hærəsmənt, with the emphasis on the second syllable ras. Use in a sentence. 1. The company has strict policies against harassment in the workplace. 2. She experienced online harassment in the form of cyberbullying. Synonyms. Synonyms for harassment include intimidation, bullying, persecution, torment, or victimization. Conclusion. Harassment is a word that underscores the importance of creating a safe and respectful environment for everyone. It's a reminder that harmful and persistent behaviors have no place in our interactions and communities. Thanks for joining us, and may your actions always contribute to a world free from harassment.